When people inquire for engine swaps, it's usually how much for this swap? Well, it doesn't work like that, because I don't think anyone can give you a solid estimate how much a complete swap is going to cost. What's going to go wrong? What's missing? How much time is it going to take? Is something going to break? What are your expectations? All these things combined, you cannot accurately predict the labor rate for how much a complete swap is going to cost start to finish. With that being said, right, when you want a swap, if I say, hey, this broke, it's gonna be 500, it's gonna be 1,000, we need another 2,000. That's kind of something you have to expect. You know, completely different engine, harness, fuel system, everything in a almost 40-year-old car. Stuff's gonna go wrong, stuff's not gonna fit, we're gonna wait on parts, stuff's gonna take longer than we thought. All these factors combined, you know, can you imagine why I would shy away from taking on a swap, right?
Yeah, I gave my guys an example when we were compression leak down testing this engine. I pulled the coil packs out and they were a little bit damp on the boots, so the spark plug tube seals are probably leaking. You know, I've had customers in the past where they probably would have said, if I told them like, hey, it's going to be this much parts and labors, we should probably reseal the valve cover and replace the related gaskets. You know, I've had customers in the past where it's like, do we really have to? How long can I go without it? Like, this is really stressful for me because especially for a job like this, a swap, it's kind of like you already have to expect that there's going to be a lot more additional costs. And, you know, I told the customer, the most important thing when we do this is like, we have to have this trusting relationship where you got to trust that if there's going to be additional costs, I'm going to tell you we need more money for it. And you just got to trust what I'm saying. And yeah, I guess that's the moral of the story is selecting bigger jobs like this. I would say swaps or long-term restorations are the biggest jobs I get here. All of those, you really need a trusting relationship with both between the customer and the person working on your car. It's just not always easy. I get it, right?